Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So, guys, we have two different job openings from two different companies to share today. So, let's see what are the eligibility criteria, like the complete details regarding that. Okay, so watch this video till the very end and subscribe this channel. And once you go for the bell icon, just activate all the informations as well. I mean, in the sense, all the notifications too. Okay. So let's start that. So first we have an opening from Mindtree, that is for sustainability champion. It's applicable for any batch criteria, that is the highest focus available. Okay, so this is the job opening. So here job description you can see like good knowledge of sustainability subjects, sustainability reporting, assurance management knowledge, then beginner level concept of sustainable forums, frameworks and industry networks, then appreciation, genuine interest in ESG, that is environmental, social and governance, passion for CSR, that is corporate social responsibility, ability to research subdomains in sustainability as required and summarize findings, ability to communicate and coordinate cross-functionally across the organization. So basically here soft skills are given much more important. So if you're very confident about your soft skills, then this job is particularly for you. Okay, so it's a good opening as well if you are not interested in some kind of banking field, and if you're not ready to go to IT sector and this computer science related things, then this is a good opening as well. Now the soft skills required will be yeah, soft skills and mandatory skills. Okay, just now we just read about the job description. Okay, that is mandatory. Now let's go for the soft skills, that is work independently and efficiently with end-to-end implementation ownerships of plants, then ability or interest to comfortably interact with different kinds of people and background, the roles at different levels. Now excellent presentation skills and very good coordination and facilitation skills, then using productivity tools, efficient usage of applications such as MS Office Suite, efficient skills on the internet, beginner level experience in web, organized documentation, statistical analysis, and presenting insights from the raw data, willingness to learn from people across all levels, functions, and industry forums. Okay, so this is actually, as I have just mentioned it right now, this is actually a great opening for opportunity for everyone who's like looking into something different. Okay, and they just want you to have these skills. Okay, there is nothing more than that. Okay, that is completely fine. If you belong to 2020, 2021, 2022, you can give it a try then for sure, I think. Okay, let's see the yeah, you can upload your resume here. Then after, you have to give your name, email ID, phone number, your date of birth, total experience in here. So here you can see this is a fresher. So if you're a fresher, you can give that. If you have an experience, you can give that as well. Please provide the earlier MID in case of a former, okay, Mindtree employee. Okay, so in the sense, if it is not mandatory, if you have, you give. If you have worked with, how soon you can join. Okay, so notice period is there. So if you are a pass out student, then you can give that. And if you're 2022 students, like 2022, then you can just mention, okay, when your will be getting completed. Like some of them will be free to join by last semester, so that also you can give it. Okay, so that's about the notice period. So now here nowhere they have mentioned it is applicable only for this batch criteria. So in the sense, the current trending batches can apply it here, that is 2020, 21 and 22 also they can give it a try. If they can accept, or if they can wait until you get your graduation, then there will be fine. Okay, so try applying for that. For this, the CTC provide will be like the 3.5 plus LPS. Greater than that, it is also some beginner level, entry level experience criteria students also can apply here. Okay, graduates can also apply it here. So it do differs according to the experience that you're having, but 3.5 is an average fresher salary for Mindtree for this particular opening. Okay, and this opening is in Bangalore as well. So guys, if you feel like applying, then this is a great opportunity as well. Now we have next opening from Cisco. You know about Cisco. I don't think I should give a further reference regarding the same. So in location Bangalore itself, and it's an intern opportunity in the area of IT. Before going into the eligibility criteria, I would like to go through this disclaimer, because you can see that, please note that is this is only applicable for 2022 pass out students, and as of now, okay, as if now there is no immediate opening available, but they will be taking consideration all the applications that is coming up. This is happening with most of the product based companies, that in the name of internship and in the name of freshers, they do collect the like documents earlier, and they'll keep it with themselves, and after that they will take time sorting out this. Okay, so if you want to go for if they want someone immediately, then what they'll do is they'll open something, and whoever, like among that, they'll just randomly pick someone and just give the interview and then select among them. Okay, but here what they're looking forward is, if you just give them, okay, if you just give them, then they will go through all of the applications and they will filter it out. Okay, so it's a nice opportunity, like your chance of getting selected is high when compared to the other opening that you are applying. Okay, so soon after you apply, like within 1 month and all, you may not be getting it. That's why they have mentioned it is for 2022, because when this batch is getting passed out, by then you will get the result. Okay, and also majority of you will be getting applied, so everybody must apply. Okay, yeah. So here you can see you have colorful hair, don't care tattoos, don't care like polka dots, then don't care, okay, passion for technology and work changing, be you with us. Okay, so there is no like professional criteria here. Now let's move on to the, yeah, here. So it's a data scientist opening available. So, the reason why they have kept is, they want some quality students. Okay, so it is not easy to pick the, like if there will be thousands or lakhs of applications flooding towards this particular opening, so it is not easy to pick the right students and give the right opportunity. So in case of these situations, they do go up for this. Okay, so that time, all the like they can go through all the resumes, or they can just take time selecting students, so most of them will be getting the opportunity as well. Okay, now who you are. Okay, solid knowledge in statistics, probability, data structures and algorithm, knowledge in data analysis, data exploration, data wrangling and data validation. So this is what they want you to have, and data analytical problem solver and the catalyst that will help the business teams make better decisions using data and analytics. Bring an interdisciplinary skill set of AI, ML, data science, computer science, statistics. Develop data products and services across descriptive, linguistic, and predictive analytics to improve business processes and drive tangible business outcomes. Okay, so lead complex analytical programs working with multifunctional teams. Okay, they have not mentioned about then particularly this is the batch criteria, or this is the batch criteria they have mentioned, but this is not the branch criteria, the graduation criteria. But it is something computer science related, and it's something statistics max kind of related. So obviously this is a bright opportunity for BE BTech students, and if others too, you have the parallel knowledge on the same, you can even try. All they want you to have is the knowledge. So from this you can see, right, everything is allowed in there. They don't want you to be very formal in look or very formal in showing. They want the work to get done. Okay, they want the professionals who knows the knowledge in that field. Okay, so if you are from different graduation too, if you have the like evidences or the documentations, or if you have the knowledge to showcase in the interview, like this, I have the knowledge and all the things that is there in the eligibility criteria, then you can try applying to it. Okay, the knowledge is what they matters. You can see here, passion for technology and world changing, be with us. Okay, so that's it, that's all they want. And to apply for that, you can just click on this apply button and continue with the application process. So coming about the CTC details of Cisco, obviously Cisco used to pay their employees high. So here, like 4+ LPAs is obviously will be there for you. And like moving on from intern to full-time employee, then you will get the hype as well. Okay, now let me sign in to show the application process as well. So this is application form. How do you heard about us? You can just give it from the options. You can just go. Okay, so I'm randomly selecting some option. Okay, so if you heard it from this, then you can give social media or whatever. Okay, now I'm just moving on. Okay, so please select submit below to complete the application process for the job opening. So the thing is, I have already a profile section under this career, Cisco careers. So in course, if you don't have that, you can just click, like you can log in with that and you can give all your information. All your information in the sense your personal information, every form looks the same. Okay, your personal information, your graduation information, your skill set, your resume, then about the address, contact information, everything. And after that, you will have this page, and please submit, and after that you can click on submit and complete with the application process. Okay, so both the jobs that I presented today is a bright opportunity as well, because the Cisco is taking time to select you candidates, so most of you will be getting opportunities. And coming to Mindtree, it's applicable for, it's having very minimal mandatory criteria or mandatory skills, eligibility criteria is very minimal, so this will help you a lot. Okay, so like who are watching this video, please to apply to both of the job, because whoever applying to this job can apply to this job as well, because if you wish to get to one different than IT sector. Okay, so everybody watching this video, please apply to both of them. You'll get the response mail for them. They're very responsible for that, especially Mindtree and Cisco. They used to, even I used to, if I used to apply for that, for showing you, I used to get the reply email. Okay, so that's it. Apply it at the earliest before the link expires. We don't know that when the link will be getting expired, so before that, make sure you apply the same. Okay, so that's all for today I had. So if you have any further doubts, we'll meet in the comment section. And if you have any suggestions regarding the video content, well, welcome to the comment section. So until I come up again, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.